We spoke about two essential components of goal setting last time: goal integration and obstacle prevention. Continuing that video, we'd like to provide two more essential parts to making sure you succeed in meeting your goals every time. Rewards. Let's be honest. A goal that is easy to keep doesn't require much planning. But the ones that do require planning often have an area or component that we simply don't want to do. Whether that's learning reams of facts for a test so that you can accomplish your goal of getting that A, or running till your legs burn so you can be stronger. The components that we don't like doing can often prevent us from accomplishing that goal at all. A good solution to this is simply to set rewards. It may seem simple enough, but rewards, part of the positive reinforcement tactic, are one of the most effective ways of accomplishing a goal, because it gives you something to look forward to in what may seem like a sea of things you don't want to do. So after you've followed our what, when, how, where method, it's important to set rewards for each task you accomplish, each mini goal you successfully check off your to-do list. Your reward can be as simple as watching half an episode of your favorite TV show after you accomplish your task, taking an extra long bath, or if you're particularly tired, scheduling a day off. It's important to make rewards part of your routine too. Taking a break can be as beneficial as another day of work, and it's important for your body and mind to recharge, doing or experiencing something you love. This will keep you motivated until you begin to see your results. Probably the most essential part of goal setting is digging deep. When your goal is rather long term, it can be easy to get lost in the routine of things. That same run you started out with complete determination 2 months ago may seem arduous and boring now. That same textbook you set out to learn with complete concentration may seem like gibberish now. You may feel tired or frustrated because you are not seeing results and may want to give up altogether. This is a completely normal part of trying to accomplish a long-term goal, especially if it involves changing your lifestyle entirely. In a situation like this, it is important to dig deep. Ask yourself, why did you want to accomplish this goal in the first place? What made you want to make this goal an essential part of your routine, of your life? Whether it's because you want to be healthier and have more options in the future, it's important to constantly self-reflect and understand why that goal is so important to you. In fact, this is a good place to journal out your motivations, to remind yourself why you wanted to do this in the first place. Imagining the results when you have accomplished that goal, not only for the goal itself but for its implications on your life, is a great motivator to continue to accomplish more. In what may seem like a monotonous routine, when your place of work and your place of leisure is in the same area, your home, it can often feel like your goals are harder and harder to accomplish as your routine becomes more and more monotonous. But we hope with these 4 techniques, you can accomplish any goal you put your mind to. Check out our website for more, and thank you so much for watching.